Back here with my cousin. And it's still raining like hell and it's cold and I'm not wearing a jacket.
She's dumb.
I'm awesome and dumb. Yeah.
No, I never said that.
I said I'm awesome. I said it. I didn't say you had to say it, but I said it. I'm awesome. And dumb.
Stupid.
Thank you. But I'm also awesome.
No.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
Heck to the... No.
Yes!
I'll do Marissa for you.
Yeah, let's do Marissa. Hey guys, I hate you guys. Not literally. You guys are like my favorite guys and or people in the world, not guys technically. Because I know at least 2 of you are girls, so.
How many subscribers do you have?
4, I think. I haven't checked up in 2 days, so I might have a few more.
I have 1. I have none.
Why aren't you getting a video, dude? Oh, this is good video material. Might be redoing an intro, just letting you know.
Oh, I need to stop it. I have it the wrong way.
Yeah.
Does it allow you to switch?
No.
Okay. Hello.
Hey, people.
Hello.
Okay, so we're doing 2 recordings here. Same time. We're being weirdos.
Yep.
And I'm actually gonna bring you guys into the store this time.
Me too.
Let's do this shit. We might have to run, so camera's gonna shake like hell.
Yeah.
Get after this white car. Wait, maybe not. I don't know. Just give it a minute. When I run, you run. Don't do it. Not yet. Not yet. And we walk. Never mind. There's just enough space to walk, so.
You want me
lazy asses. Well, we might be shaking on the way back, because, you know, we might have to run, because school just got out like 30 minutes ago, so. Lots of cars coming by. And yes, it was my school, my middle school. I'm in 7th grade, guys.
I'm in 6th.
And here's my 6th grader, about to be 7th grader. You can see my breath. Can you guys see this? I hope so, because that'd be dope.
Mine.
I know.
No, we're not in the rain.
Let me just clean this off really quick.
Okay.
Okay, I think we're good. Okay. So this is our store. Okay. Cheetos are right here.
Wrong way.
What were you going after, woman?
I was just looking.
We're supposed to be getting some Cheetos, but we're looking around, you know.
Yeah.
Regular stuff. Ooh. Just looking at some Mexican candies. Really good, actually.
We haven't tried these.
Yes.
Are they good?
Yeah. I like them.
But
I would go for that one. Down in the comments, tell me, which one would you go after?
yes.
Doritos or Cheetos and Doritos mixed together? Tell me in the comments below.
Yeah. Me too. Do the same thing.
And I love this shirt.
I love both of them.
Oh my god, yes.
Okay. $1.49.
Oh my god, look at these delicious donuts. I wish I could eat them
I
now.
want to eat that.
But we can't.
No.
We have to buy it. We could wait till like 9 o'clock at night to get them, but I don't want to do that. They'll probably all be gone.
That looks gross right there. It looks like a pile of poop.
It does look like a pile of poop.
It looks like a pile of poop.
Doesn't it look like a pile of poop, guys? I think it does.
Comment below.
Yeah, comment, guys. If you guys are new to my channel, please subscribe. Please.
too. Please. Wait until 5 minutes.
I'm past 5 minutes.
You guys have a good day.
Hey.
You guys having fun?
Yeah. Doing YouTube videos.
That's fun.
It's actually a little bit more stressing than you'd think, but it's fun to me.
Yeah.
And Michaela over here.
153.
Oh, I had the amount. Yes.
Exact amount.
Oh, yes!
What do you guys have
We're
fun?
magic. We had the exact amount.
No, I usually get chips, so I know.
But that too.
Yeah.
Shit, it's raining out here. Can you guys see this rain? It's horrible.
You can't see rain.
Oh well, I'm gonna try. Can you guys see this crap?
Can you?
I doubt it,
Look
but
in the sky. Can you see it?
look up to the sky. Wait. Look
I
up
just
to
got a
the
whole bunch-
sky and see. I'm just a poor boy. I have no sympathy.
No, you don't have to see us
Bohemian
run.
Rhapsody.
We're walking.
Fuck yeah,
It's
guys.
a horrible storm out here. No.
Nah, it's actually pretty nice out here.
You bought them.
Okay. Hey guys, I bought the chips. They're mine.
I bought them. But you're holding on to them.
I'm saying I bought them.
Because my sister is a jerk.
Whoa. My hand's like super red, guys. I don't know why.
Did you know I left my
I feel like close.
my dragon fruit vitamin water at your house in your room?
You did?
Yeah, I'll show you. If you could see me right now, I am all rainy.
You should see me. I don't even have any sleeves on. I'm in this nice pink polka dot shirt.
I'm in this nice jacket I stole from my sister.
She stole it. She stole the jacket.
Yes, I'm so mean.
No, but you're still awesome. Yeah. Look up to the sky
wish
and
it never
sing.
I do.
I'm just a poor boy. I have no sympathy. Easy come, easy go. Bohemian Rhapsody, guys.
See rainbows.
Do you guys see these rainbows?
Go back and look.
Hopefully you guys can see these. These things are amazing. I love them.
Yep, I hope you saw them. See? Can't you see them?
Yeah, they're so pretty.
Yes, they are. I know.
Okay, well, I'm going to go ahead and end it here. Bye, guys.
Me too.
Please subscribe.